Healthy white teeth are a must nowadays. But what does it take to have a perfect smile? Today we have Rachel Linson here in our studio. Rachel is the professor of the University of Dallas. Her students are future dentists. Rachel, please tell us some steps that can lead to the perfect smile.
Well, first of all, we should brush our teeth regularly, at least 2 times a day. Your toothpaste should contain fluoride. This substance helps you to keep your teeth in good condition. The second step is to visit your dentist regularly. The doctor will check up the condition of your teeth and do the proper cleaning with special instruments. Another very important step is to cut down on sugary food and drinks. Sugar we get with the meal causes tooth decay.
Thank you, Rachel. Nowadays, it is very important to have healthy white teeth, not only for a celebrity, but also for a common person. To talk about teeth, we need some words. Acid – кислота. Attached – прикрепленный. Bacteria – бактерии. Bite – кусать. Blood vessel – кровеносный сосуд. Calcium – кальций. Canine – клык. Cell – клетка. Cementum – цемент. Chew – жевать. Crown – коронка. Dentin – дентин. Enamel – эмаль. Fasten – прикреплять. Fluoride – фтор. Grasp – хватать, зажимать. Grind – перемалывать, толочь. Gum – десна. Human – человек. Incisor – резец. Jawbone – челюстная кость. Layer – слой. Main – главный. Milk teeth – молочные зубы. Molar – коренной зуб. Nerve – нерв. Outer – внешний. Part – часть. Permanent teeth – постоянные зубы. Pulp – пульпа, мякоть зуба. Root – корень. Securely – надежно. Tear – рвать. Toothpaste – зубная паста. Unseen – невидимый. In good condition – в хорошем состоянии. In the middle – посередине.